side.
It's time to get the drift shenanigans going.
Hooligans. Oh, you're leading, buddy. You lead.
I lead?
I'm trying to get doors.
Hold up.
Can I hit your door?
No. Do not smack my shit, buddy. Just please. Once it's total, fuck you, I saw that.
Alright.
Hey,
Once it's total, you can.
Alright.
that's how it goes. What are you running? Look, he's trying to run.
I can barely breathe! I can't breathe! Son of a...
I got turn mine.
Let's go.
I love this car. I'm gonna marry it. I'm gonna marry this fucking car. I could be having the best time of my life right now.
I love it! I want to get divorced and marry this fucking car! Holy shit!
Did he just clutch kick mid-race?
What
Turbo.
the fuck?
What?
It ain't GTA, bro.
Hey, what's up with that GTA clutch kick double clutch?
Double clutching this bitch, what can I say?
Did it work? She's an eater.
He's speaking E36s.
Is this the winner? Did you win?
Hell yeah, dude.
Damn.
Yeah, dude.
When'd you get this red eye?
Huh?
This a jailbreak?
Oh, we don't speak too much about that.
Oh, my bad. The striker. The striker.
Get it started easy, all you need is a program. Plug it up on the passenger side by the flow, man. Don't even start it up.
Holy limit. Open this. Oh my god. Understeer king.
Holy understeer.
Vinny's doing his best.
Probably let my tires cool down a little bit. Huh? Yeah. flame.
This spot is the best spot in
Guatemala.
I'm saying.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How was that shoot?
Fire. All right, we're in the stance whip. He wants to see if he can hit second. And we're about to find out if he can. Damn, he got a short throw. Oh yeah, he can do it. Oh my God. Your steering is fucking terrible. I'm sorry. Yeah.
It does not self-steer at all.
Hold on, I gotta get used to stock angle real quick.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. You could definitely do it. You gotta commit though, like crazy.
Yeah.
We're gonna get it. Yeah, your car has no self-steer.
Yeah.
Absolutely none.
Yeah, you had to clutch kick the shit out of that.
I did.
Is that normal? Like,
yeah, that's honestly pretty typical E36 with typical 328 with grippy tires.
yeah.
That's how they are. But your steering isn't helping at all. That's just making you worse. For sure. Yeah. Let's go.
Fuck no, that was sick.
Thanks. That was sick. Thank you for letting me drive,
Yeah,
dude.
of course, bro. Of course. There you go.
This thing's awesome.
Oh, yeah.
Yo!
We got a problem.
What?
About the D-bead.
It's not supposed to be like that?
Fuck, now you gotta air that up, yeah?
Buddy got hella lip.
Oh.
Buddy got hella lip. Oh, this is not good.
You gotta air that up ASAP.
I thought that was normal.
Airline on your bags? Your tank?
No, I have this.
I thought this was normal. I thought this was like a stance guy thing.
Oh, that's not good.
I thought it was too until you go look at the other fucking side.
What the fuck?
Air it up ASAP.
Tuck it. I'm like,
Oh no.
is it flat?
And Spool E36 in the rig, in the pig, and Patrick the Star. First time him driving it from the turbo car. Turn the lights on. Flip them lights.
He does not look like he should be in that car.
He does not.
He does not fit in that.
He does not fit in it.
I don't know what the problem is.
Yeah, I think.
Dude, I wish you knew him. Piss out that thing.
Oh yeah.
He driving the piss out that thing. He's ripping that
That was sick. He hit third.
Tyler got bars. What the fuck?
What do you think?
Fam, this thing rips.
What do you think of the M3?
Yo, I ain't never felt S52 power before in my life.
What do you
I've
think?
never been so scared in my life. This thing eats.
Oh yeah. What do you think of the speed, like the 391 S52?
391 good. Felt like
you know, the power's right there to get third spinning.
I don't even use third for this spot.
I was like, I don't even know what gear you're in. I tapped
How's
third.
the car feel in drift? Hella good?
Hella good.
Thanks. Yeah, I think
it's the best feeling car.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah.
Hey, and
Awesome.
best part, I drove that with my socks out.
Yo.
With my socks out.
Yo.
No, couldn't drive it in slides.
Yo.
There we
Dogs
go.
out, damn near.
Dogs out.
Rifle sire.
You're the only dude I
That was epic. Let's do it again.
All right, let's do it.
Other way though, this way.
All right, cool. We're going for one more.
Let's go. That was forking sick.
Hell yeah.
That was dope.
Okay, you were following close as hell. Good shit.
Yeah.
I got that. I was right there out the window.
I saw you. Yep. Thanks, bro. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
So sick.
Hell yeah.
I can't. My hands are cold.
I gotta hop on the sim. I gotta grind on the sim.
Facts. The sim is where it's at. You play Aceto?
I play hella sim.
Setup.
Good.
I used to sweat the sim. That's
So it went from drifting to a foot race. So they're racing for $10.
Hey! Go!
Damn.
Boy, Great Tough was the fastest kid in 5th grade.
Because he runs from everybody, right?
He'd be running from the ops.
Yeah.
He'd been running from the ops since he was in 5th grade, so.
Yeah, so typical.
They didn't.
All right, so now he wants to race my car.
Yeah. I'm about to put the brakes on.
Let's go.
On go. To the concrete, folks. 1, 2, 3, go.
Well, security just pulled up and told us. What did he just say? Leave?
Yeah,
Cool. All right, well, we gotta leave, Thank you for watching. If you made it to the end of the video, I had a ton of fun making it. And stay tuned for the next one. Hopefully we get even